Yo, what's going on today, guys? Um, Today was a no trade recap video today, just because I did not take any trades. Then I did not like anything I saw. So today would be, I guess, an overall video on how I set up on the NQ charts and how I use my strategies and stuff, and like how I set them up and all that stuff. So yeah, if you guys know, I trade rejection blocks and fib ranges, and it's not 100%, it's never 100% strategies, but it's still a good strategy, and I like it. Got a couple payouts on this strategy, and I'm not complaining about it, so, I'm just gonna keep using it. But let's get into it. Let's go on replay mode. Yeah, start starting it, whatever. It's still like somewhere in May now. It's like May 13th. Alright, this is our New York opening. So, first thing I would do when I see New York opening, I'm going to 15-minute be a price reject off of this rally gap right here, and like right here. I wouldn't take any of this for rejection blocks onto rally gap. Even you see how the wick shows, rejected off. You know, I want to take this on rejection block just because we have a bearish favorite rally gap later right here, and I don't like it. I don't like anything of this. But let's just say we let this trade play out. See, I wouldn't like it. So we'll check the 1 hour too as well. See if there's anything else in 1 hour. This could be a good rejection block, but it also has this bearish rally gap I don't like. So we go back to 1 minute. Right there, I wouldn't do no rejection block trades. As you can see, precious flushes down already to even this rally gap. So even if you took this rejection block or even this rejection block, you would have got stopped out. So that's why I want to take it. So I want to let price do its thing. To my next strategy I will use, and this would be a range fib. So we have this range to look for shorts, but we also have, bleed this out so it's better and you guys can see it, this range. So what range I would take? I'm taking this range just because this range, it got created, but it's because this is a newer range, and it's just a newer range is the better. It's just better, so that's why I take a newer range instead of an old range. So let's say pretending you took this range, right? You want to look for inverse rally gaps to your entries. So we'll wait for a inverse rally gap. Wait, go back. I think I went by it. Yeah, right here, inverse rally gap right here. Inverse both of them. You can see. I'll market sell it, take profit to agent low, and stop loss here. And we'll see what price will do. Then you got stopped out. But I want to take that range. Like I said, I will go for a newer range. So new range being created. Bang. New range created. This is my range now. So now I'm looking for inverse rally gap, this rally gap, or this rally gap, if it respects any of these levels. So price respect this level to 0.5. Now I want price to inverse this fair value gap. Respect this level a lot. So if price does not respect this level, we also have this level right here, the 0.705. We have this small fair value gap right here. I would not enter off that. I'm gonna enter off the inverse fair value gap, which I get. So now this is my inverse. Oh, chill. Go back. Go back. All right, there we go. This is my inverse. I'm in the trade now. I'll put stop below the fair value gap. You can put stop below this fair value gap, but I like to put it below the inverse like this. And take profit. You could do this high if you want, or maybe do your aim high, but let's do this high for now. And this is my position right here, targeting 60 point, no, 60 points. Let's restart. Oh my god. It's exactly 60 points actually. And then 20 points stop loss. Boom. This is my my entry. Now I'm gonna be looking for longs. Hopefully market pumps up. And I just get a huge pump up. Literally no drawdown at all. Just straight up. Take profit hits. And let's see. I think we'll see if you guys would take profit near aim high. So if your take profit was at near aim high, you would have made more, but yeah, I would take it this high, you know, it's safe for Confluence, and yeah, it's pretty good, not a bad trade. So that's why I would go for that range instead of this range right here, just because this range is newer and it's just been created, so I feel more confident on this range, so that's why I'm taking that range 100%. So let's go into a new day now. Let's do June now, let's do June 10th. Oh, I might tune a trade this day, but or maybe not, but let's see what happens. So we price New York opens 15-minute. Nothing I can see. Check the 1 hour as well. Nothing really. So I'm gonna let price do his thing. I'm gonna wait to go. I'm gonna 5-minute. All right. Oh, I went too far. Oh my god. What am I doing? All right. There's our price. I'll go on 15-minute as well to see if there's anything else that's been created. If like this 15-minute for value gap's been created, completely inverses it. So I'll just see. I'll just see if I miss any ranges. Actually, this is could be done in this range. Yeah, this range I would not done. So now I'm waiting for a new range to be created. Which I don't get. It just dumps. Oh my. Alright, this will be no trade day. I won't take any trades. It's just a full send down. I mean, maybe you could have taken this range, honestly. This is a very choppy. I would like to try. I'm gonna try this range out. I want to see. It's very choppy. I probably wouldn't take it, but I would like to see if this range did work out. What is the long range for longs? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. You're gonna swapped out. Yeah, you got swapped out. All right, let's go on new day. Let's do like June 12th, June 11th. I'm also trading these prices on news days probably too, so I want to know. But like I said, don't trade on news days. It's basic gambling, unless like only trade after it. But yeah, or maybe even like stupid Trump speeches like that stuff. But all right, we're in going 15-minute time frame. This could be a good rejection block. It also rejected off the London low. I would say it's a good rejection block. A lot of signs of rejection. So this is my trade I'll be in. Just because it rejected off this for value gap. And rejected off this session low. Sometimes I want to take this rejection block just because there's a fair value gap right here. But there's also a fair value gap right here. So that's why I would take it. If there is none, if there was like no fair value gap here, only rejected off this London low, I probably wouldn't do it. And I'll probably go for this rejection block, unless if it's not been tested. But it's been tested, and it doesn't look good, so I wouldn't take it. So this is my rejection block. So now I'm looking for longs on this one. Putting my OT, risking $700 on this, and I'll let this trade go through. Alright, we're in. So this is how I would set up my take profit on this strategy. The leg that got me in will be this bullish leg right here that got me in. Then I put it up to this top leg. This is my range. Probably will target the 1 here, or maybe it's 2. But I'll target a 1 just because it's too early in the market, and it could sweep this London low, London high actually, I meant. So yeah, this is my range I'm trading in. My range, my take profit. So this is my take profit, targeting almost 200 points, 184 points. Stop loss 45. So now this is my take profit and everything. I'm set up and everything. Now let the trade run through. And wow. This is literally a bottom tick. Crazy trade. You would have made 3 bands off that. Actually, how much was it again? No, whatever. You made 3. You would have made a lot, I would say. Would have made more. I know this was like 6,000 right here. We just did. And went to the 3 even. So let's, damn. 366 points of take profit. Wow. So this is huge bottom tick, and this would have been this is literally like a news candle type of point, like 2 points. Wow. All right. So as you can see, that rejection block literally played out super well, and would have been off that day. And yeah, let's go a new day. Let's do like May again. Let's do like May 12th. You know, so like May 21st. See what happens. New York market opens. 15-minute time frame. I would love to see price reject off this rally gap if we do get it. We do get it. I would like to put my. This is kind of a risky rejection block just because stop loss is very small and you could get wicked out. So I would like to see if this would be. Yeah, this would be. I don't know. This is like sometimes I would not take this trade, but sometimes I would. If it depends on the stop loss, but the stop loss would be very risky. But I put above it a little higher like this. Actually, sometimes let's see if it's also like that. It's not. It's an 8-point stop loss. I will usually target like 20 points on my stop loss like this. And take profit. I said they said deviation. 1 minute now. See, you bring it stopped out. Either way, we got stopped out. But sometimes I usually re-enter, and I'll show you how I re-enter. I usually re-enter when the body closes below again. So 1 candle back. So like this, I will just market sell it again. Stop loss, I'll put up now above the New York AMI. And if you can't risk a lot, go micros or lower stop loss like this. But I usually do this instead. To New York AMI, standard deviation. Standard deviation, I'll do the same thing again. The leg that got me in. So the leg that got me stopped out pretty much, but this is the leg that got me in. Was this leg? But to do this one. This is my standard deviations. I'll probably target a 2 on this one, honestly. Maybe a 2.5, but or a 1, but I target 2 this time. Now we'll see price will do. And bang. See? Just like that. Went to the 4 actually, but that's how I will re-enter like that. So basically this would have been a one loss, 1 win. I mean, you technically just make your money back either way, because that trade I lost 400 that trade, I guess, and then you would have made almost 2,000 that trade. So basically you're in profit now, and then one hopped off that 1 loss, 1 win, and yeah. Sometimes people size down on micros stuff like that, but you could do that if you want. But that's how I will re-enter on my rejection block if I do get stopped out like that. If the stop loss is really small like that. So yeah, this what I would say would be a win on this strategy rejection block. Let's do like 2 more days. Let's do April this time. April price action was not the best for me, I'll say that, but it was just no trades at all. I don't think I want to trade this fucking day. This day was terrible. Like, what is that? Let's do April again. April did not have any good price action. Same for March too. Let's go, because that was basically because the war. That's when war started happening for Iran and the U.S. and that stuff. But all right, right here, there's no resistance blocks to take off of in 1 hour, so this is very choppy. So I'm gonna wait a 15-minute time frame to see what the price will do. It's nothing really. Oops, let me do that. So let's go back to this point. My next strategy I will use, set rejection blocks, will be range fibs now. So I'll let us see this range be created. Which I do. This will be a nice short. If you could short this maybe. Let's create another range. So respect this level. I'll let us see inverse on this. So we get the inverse. What the? This is very. Hold on, let me go back. This is very confusing. I'm gonna mark it out real quick. There you go. I'll press inverse for value gap. This is not a good inverse. I'll wait for one more candle. So this is what I do here. Since price did not do anything on this, I'm gonna trade this range instead. If it only disrespects at that level. And yeah, see, that's why I wouldn't take that trade. And the inverse was terrible as well. But you could try this range now. There's a lot of ranges you could trade, internal ranges. And now wait for this price to respect this level, which I get. So there's no fair value gap to inverse off. No 5 minutes, no 3 minutes. So I just want to take anything off this. This was a terrible. Oh, there's nothing really to do on this day. Price just shoots up. So yeah, this would be a day I would not take a trade off of. I'm not gonna trade April and March's day. Price action was terrible at those months. Let's do this February 11th. Minute time frame. It's kind of good rejection, but I want to take it just because this wick right here, it's already been tested and it's not really good enough. So I would look for price to do this thing. This would be a good way to trade off of. I would like to see one more candle. Probably would stop that right there. So now price is in the body of the body's in the fair value gap, so this is not a big rejection block. I'll check the 1 hour though. I mean, the 1 hour is like I'm waiting another hour for another candle, so for that candle to be closed. So I'm definitely not gonna take that. So I'll be waiting another range fib trade if I do get any, which I do not get any at all. It's just a straight dump down. Marks what I close, so I would have hopped off right here. I'm just gonna do another June day. This is like, because June's been the best for me so far. Alright. This is price, New York opening. Wait for this candle to do its thing. Just quick shot down. I mean, see, if you see it inverse, like, pretend there's like nothing here. Pretend there's like no wicks tested here. If you see a body like this, wicks here, and wicks back up like this, wouldn't say good rejection block just because the wicks below the fair value gap. That's why I wouldn't take this rejection block. Some people would, but I wouldn't. So right here, this is the day I will probably just take a range today. So creates this range, this low to this high, small internal range. Respects this. I'm looking for inverse on this fair value gap. Or you could, no, I was gonna say you could just range off this one. This is a new range now, but let's see what price would do instead. So yeah, I wouldn't because this range is longer and it's a more clear range. Let's go back candle. Kind of missed my entry. Maybe no, I didn't. This would be the enter. If the inverse is for like I'll be in trade. There you go. Let's go like a candle. This is my enter. Probably want to take profit, but up this one or this lower here, this higher. Stop was below this wick, or even this wick. Let's put in the middle of it, and hopefully price gives me take profit. Targeting 100 points, and stop loss is 37. Well, not actually 37, like 36, whatever. We're in pullbacks, didn't inverse, huge pullback, then it goes back up. Your break even, I'll just put it here. Or your break even be here probably. Break even. So now I'm gonna break even. And make this position longer. What is this? Covers my position up. Oh, whatever. It was 107 points, something like that. Dang, take profit. Just like that, you take profit at 10:43. You entered off at 10, so this would have been like almost like a 40-minute trade. Yeah, it was a 4-minute trade, but got the job done, executed perfectly, and yeah, that's how I trade, and that's how I put my break even. Break even could be this. You could have done this one, but I do this one because it's the New York candle and that one. So yeah, that's how I set up that trade, that setup. I'll do like one more day, then I'll probably do more videos about this as well. If you guys need clear explanation, or text me on my Discord. I'll leave my server down below if you guys need any questions. Let's do like Meta Mayday. Let's do I don't know, like May 27th. I don't know. $15-minute time frame. I love to see this. I love to see this for gap to, I guess, I was gonna say respected, but did not get what I wanted. 1 hour for rally gap, nothing. So this would be another day to take a range off of. This would be a range I would take. I'll love to see this for rally gap to get inverse if it does get there. It respected the 0.5. As you can see in a 5-minute, respects it. 3-minute also respects it. So right here, it'd be my good level I'll be taking to get an inverse. We do. Oh my god, I mean to piss another candle. So now this is my trade I'll be taking. Stop loss. I'll probably it's be a very small stop loss, so we might get stopped out here, but take profit. I put above this rally gap. I'm in the trade. Actually, I saw next candle, so we definitely got stopped out. But let's just say you just put it here, and would I get stopped out? I don't think I would have. I think I would have got edged, but whatever. Price moves up. Wait, I forgot to put my position down. We're targeting 100 points again, 110. That's my trade I'll be taking. Break even, I'll just put it here again. My break even, the middle of this entry. Break even. Stopped out, which is fine. I would love to see price though to retest this 7.05 though. If it does. This did not, so I mean either way this range already cooked. I'm gonna take anything. I wanna do one more day. Get a one more one. Let's do like another May. It's like May 20th. Or May 19th actually. This is my New York opening. Love to see better. Reject. Okay, this is pretty good. I'll say this would be a good rejection. It's my OTE. It's pretty long wick. I do want to see how much points this is. 156-point wick. So sometimes I would like to mark this wick, and I like to see a better entry on different time frames. I'm on 15 now, so 5 minute. So we like, this would be my entry, I guess, for my OT. So you could do this entry this wick. I don't like it really, but let's just take this as my let's just do this. Sell limit here, sell loss up here, take profit. Like I said, standard deviation. We're in now. Oh, chill. Okay, wait. All right, we're already up 1,000 already somehow, and then the lay got me in would be I mean, there's no leg to really do. You could do this leg, I guess. That'd be a good. Actually, nah. So this leg would be. I mean, this would be a good leg. It's a small leg, but I mean, it's not a really. Oh my god, I put the wrong way. I'm just an idiot. Beat this leg. It's very. I don't know. You could do this. You could do this leg right here. Be a good leg. It's not really. It's like no clear legs, but let's just do this leg for now. Targeting. I'm gonna target the one. Or the two actually. The New York PM low over here. Alright, let's target the two. Why not? I mean, I probably would take partials on this if I was trading micros. No, I'm not doing that. Let's take profit. Turn 200 points. That's what price does. Bang. Take profit smacked. Bottom ticked it pretty much. It probably went lower. Even to the 4. Wow. Crazy bottom tick. Good trade. And yeah. That's literally how I set up on my strategies and stuff. Hope this helps y'all and for the beginners that are trying to learn to trade. And yeah, this strategy got me a couple payouts and I'm proud of it. But the main strategy I use is rejection blocks. So don't get confused on the other stuff. But rejection blocks are my main strategy. As you can tell, it's a very strong tool. You can see how you just bottom that tick that trade, and I bottom tick top to that trade, and you would have made 1,000 off that. And range trade is pretty good too, but don't hurt really high on those take profits. But yeah, that's how I would trade on those strategies. And like I said, I have a Discord down below. If you guys need questions, I can give you it. I can answer for you. I'll leave my fib settings in the Discord as well if you guys need the fib settings. But yeah, hope y'all have a good day and hope this helps for all the beginners out there. Yeah, see ya.